In this cold weather, nothing beats a cup of hot chocolate to warm your body and bring you comfort. Hot chocolate is one of the most beloved drinks worldwide, especially during chilly weather. With its creamy texture and rich flavor, it has become a favorite choice for many to enjoy warm, cozy moments. In its modern version, it relies on a blend of dark chocolate and milk, giving it a deep and indulgent character that attracts fans of bold flavors. The origins of hot chocolate. The idea of hot chocolate originated with the Maya and Aztec civilizations, where cacao was consumed as a ceremonial drink mixed with water and spicy flavors. When cacao made its way to Europe in the 17th century, ingredients like milk and sugar were added, transforming it into a luxurious beverage. Today, hot chocolate is an essential part of beverage culture around the globe. Benefits of hot chocolate. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Dark chocolate helps reduce inflammation and supports heart health. 2. Mood booster. Cacao contains compounds that stimulate the production of serotonin, also known as the happiness hormone. 3. Energy source. The combination of cacao and milk provides an instant and lasting energy boost. 4. Immune support. Cacao contains compounds that strengthen the immune system and combat free radicals. Essential ingredients: 100 grams of dark chocolate, 70% cacao or higher, 1.5 cups of whole milk or plant-based alternatives like almond milk, 1 teaspoon of raw cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, optional, a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor, whipped cream or marshmallows for garnish, optional. Preparation steps. 1. Heat the milk in a saucepan over low heat until it starts to simmer. 2. Add the chopped dark chocolate and stir continuously until fully melted. 3. Add the raw cocoa powder and sugar if you prefer a sweeter taste. 4. Keep stirring until the mixture is smooth and thick. 5. Pour the hot chocolate into a mug and garnish with whipped cream or marshmallows as desired. Tips for perfect hot chocolate. Use high-quality dark chocolate for a rich and balanced flavor. Add a teaspoon of cornstarch during cooking if you prefer a thicker consistency. Experiment with unique flavors like cinnamon, vanilla, or a pinch of chili powder for a distinctive twist. What do you think? Do you prefer your hot chocolate with whipped cream or marshmallows? Share your thoughts in the comments.